Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful square. We are gonna make something with this square, but first I wanna show you how to make it clearly with a beginner friendly video tutorial. For this one I use this yarn Utopia Crafts Perfect Cotton. It's 50 grams and 160 meters. Recommends 2.5 millimeter hooks, but I use 4 millimeter. One square is just a second. One square is 11 centimeters. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, 12 centimeters. I think that's a regular size for a lot of things. You can use a 4.5 millimeter hook with the same yarn. I'm a tight hand crocheter, so if you are a loose hand crocheter, it will be a little bit bigger. And that's all. Hope you like this one too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. There's a link below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. We're gonna start with the magic ring, but if you're a starter, you can start like this. Make a slip knot, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, insert from this first chain, make a slip stitch and work into this ring. It could be easier if you're a total beginner, but magic ring is not hard to make. You can try this, you can make this. At first it will be a little bit hard, but when you make it 2 or 3 times, you're gonna see it will be easier. Just hold the yarn with your fingers, okay? Rub it one more time and make a kind of cross. Hold the yarn with your little finger. Just a second. Okay. Insert your hook under this first strand, grab the second, pull it, okay? And make a twist. Now grab the same strand, pull through. That's our magic ring. Actually, I like to make it with this way too. If I'm making a small thing like a square, I just wrap it around my finger, wrap it one more time, just hold it, don't make it too tight. Insert under this one, oops, make a twist, make a chain. I use some moisturizer to my hands. I hope it will not be a disaster for me. Now I made 1 chain, I'm gonna add 3 more. 3 chains as a double crochet, 1 chain as the 1 chain space. Now we are gonna make totally 12 double crochets, and between them there will be 1 chain. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, insert into same place, make a double crochet. 4, chain 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 12. Now close this ring tightly. Chain 1, insert from this third chain and put this yarn on the top of your hook. We are going to hide this. Join with a slip stitch. For the row 2, we are going to insert into this one chain space. We will start from here. Just make a slip stitch. Then chain 2. We will make 3 double crochets together, and that's the first half. We are going to make 2 more. Yarn over, insert into same place, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, don't complete, yarn over, insert into same place, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all, and I'm working around the tail. Chain 2, insert into this next 1, 2, 3. With this one, it's 4 loops on the hook, starting from here. Pull through all, chain 2. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all, chain 2. Keep repeating this. You will have 12 of these clusters. I'll meet you at the end. I reached to the end. For here, instead of joining with 2 chains, I'm gonna make a chain, insert into this chain, not into this stitch, because there will be a gap if you use here. I like to use this chain. Grab the yarn, pull it. I will not make a slip stitch. I'm gonna make a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. And with this way, I will directly start from the corner here. Chain 2. I'm gonna make a cluster again. Pull through all. Now this will be our corner, but I will complete it when I turn back here. Chain 2. Into this next space, make a cluster. Chain 2. Into the next, make a cluster. Chain 2, and into this next we will make a corner. Insert, make a cluster, chain 3, and make 1 more cluster. Chain 2, make a cluster, 2, and corner. chain 3. For the corner, I'm gonna make 3 chains. If it's confused you, you can make 2 chains too. It's not important. Just complete the row. Into this last corner, I made 3 double crochets together one more time. Chain 1, and instead of joining with a single crochet, I'm gonna join with a half double crochet. But if it's hard, you can just make chain 2. Actually, that's be better. Make 2 chains, insert from this chain, and join with a single crochet. I don't want to teach you all the stitches into one video tutorial. Okay, just put a single crochet, chain 3. This time into the corner we are gonna put 3 double crochets. Then when we turn back we will put 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Into the next, let me check. Okay, just let me check. Into the next, make 3 double crochets. Next, 3 double crochets. Three more. That's the corner. Put 3 double crochets. Three chains, 3 more double crochets, all into same place. And you will repeat this 3 doubles, 3 doubles, 3 doubles, corner. I'll meet you and you reach here. I'm at the end, and into this corner I'm gonna put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and insert into this first, actually third chain. Join with a single crochet. Now this will be the last row. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Into this corner, put 1 more double crochet. Starting from here, you are going to put 1 double crochet into each stitch. Don't miss this chain. Into the corner, you will make 2 doubles, 3 chains, and 2 more double crochets. Let me see. You will have 19 double crochets for just one side. Turn around, meet you there. When you reach to the end, you're gonna put 2 more double crochets into the corner, chain 3, and insert from this third chain, join with a slip stitch. You can make 2 chains too here. Actually, I like to do it with this way. chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. I like to count the slip stitch as the third chain. It's not important. I see, I'm a freak. Just cut the yarn, and that's all. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, is also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.